In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If you need to reverse an entire reconciliation period, the fastest method is to use QuickBooks Online Accountant. This option allows you to undo a full month at once, which can save a lot of time compared to making changes transaction by transaction. One important thing to know before you begin is that this feature only works if you're using an accountant account that's connected to the company file. So before doing anything else, make sure you actually have that level of access. If you don't, the undo option for the full reconciliation may not appear. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Once you're in, open the client's company file you want to work on. It's a good idea to double-check that you're in the correct company before making any reconciliation changes, especially if you manage more than one file. After you've opened the company, go to the Accounting menu and then select the Reconcile tab. This is where QuickBooks keeps the tools related to reconciliation activity. From there, look to the upper right corner and click History by Account. This section lets you review past reconciliations and make changes when needed. Next, choose the specific account you want to review. Be careful here because many companies have multiple bank accounts, credit cards, or other reconciled accounts. Selecting the right one is essential. After that, set the date range so you can locate the reconciliation period you want to undo. This helps narrow down the history and makes it easier to find the exact month or statement period you need. Once you find the reconciliation you want to reverse, go to the Action column and click the drop-down menu for that reconciliation. In that menu, select Undo. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action, since undoing a reconciliation can affect reporting and account balances. Click Yes and then click Undo again to complete the process. After that, QuickBooks will remove the reconciliation status for that full period. At this point, you can go back and correct any issues, then reconcile again when you're ready. Just take your time and make sure you understand why the reconciliation is being undone before you move forward, since this can impact the accuracy of the books. That's how to undo a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online using QuickBooks Online Accountant.